going to Hong Kong Macau Ferry Terminal. The Macau Government Tourism Office MGTO is offering free one-way ferry tickets from Hong Kong to Macau for international visitors through the Fly You to Macau promotion. Offer period February 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. Remember to bring your passport, boarding pass once you avail this promo, or airline ticket.
Hi guys, we're now going to Macau. So yun guys, nakabili kami ng free service dito sa Turbojet. And yung isa, hindi dala yung boarding pass. So kapag mabili kayo sa free, dapat yung dala kayo ng boarding pass. And also, kung walang hindi dala yung boarding pass niya, pwede yung show yung airline ticket nila. So yun, then also your passport, that's the important. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Story time! Story time!
Next time, magbigay kasi ng instruction. Wala naman sinasabi na ng boarding pass.
Pero importante po kasi yun kasi free kasi yung binook namin until December 2031 ang service ng free for the tourists na avail yung one-way ticket na free. So, yun. Hindi kayo ng free, bring your passport, then yung web na ticket na hindi pa yung ticket ha. Dapat nyo pa i-exchange yun sa ticketing office nila dito sa Macau Ferry Airport at Terminal. Then yun, bring your passport and your boarding pass or airline ticket. Kasi nasweltehan po siya kasi akala na niya magbabayad na siya ng 1,000. So hi guys, we're now here in Macau. So, nasa Macau na kami. So ano masasabi mo? Uy, ano masasabi mo? So we're now here in Macau, so we're going to the Fisherman's Wharf. So, DIY lang kami dito sa Macau. And yun lang po, nagpabas-bas lang po. So hindi po in-accept dito yung octopus card. And yung flat rate ng mga bus dito, 6 Hong Kong dollars. In-accept yung points sa Hong Kong dollars. Then yun po. So, ay, yun pala yun. Yun yung Fisherman's Wharf. So, tatawid kami. So, yun. Kasi yung isa dito, hindi pa yan nakapunta po ng Macau. Ito. Ako po yung tour guide niya. Yun guys. First stop namin, Fisherman's Wharf. Okay, bye-bye. So, ito na po yung Fisherman's Wharf. This is the Fisherman's Wharf. So, we're gonna take photo here. That is the Fisherman's Wharf.
Macau Fisherman's Wharf. Step into a splendid world of fantasy and encounter unforgettable European cultures in Macau. Nestled on the shore of Macau's outer harbor, Macau Fisherman's Wharf is the largest leisure and themed entertainment complex in Macau Peninsula and promises to offer an unsurpassed dining, entertainment and sightseeing experience like no others. Just a 10-minute walk from Macau Ferry Terminal, Fisherman's Wharf is much loved for its easy parking amenities and bus-convenient location.
So guys, we're now here in the Fisherman's Wharf. So ito lang yun, it's an ambience of from Italy. Yes. Sa Rome Kulusong yun to eh. Oh my god, you don't even search the information about the Fisherman's Wharf. It's a European style. It's a, I don't know, it's a replica ba? It's a replica of the Colosseum. So ito yun yung Colosseum. Basta it's a kind of replica. So this is guys, we're just exploring here the Fisherman's Wharf. It's like something that it could never change. It is what it is. So here we're gonna take photos, many photos, and then after that we'll go to, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Yes. This is the Fisherman's Wharf. So nagre-renovate sila. But so guys, we're now here in the Fisherman's Wharf again. So after this, we're gonna go to explore another side here in Macau. So Macau is a gambling city. So it's very nice, very demure, very mindful. So yun. So napapicture na naman siya sa akin. Another story. Sige na, ito, pang-travel tayo. Ano sabi mo?
Bilisan mo na.
Bilis na. Sige, magpapabilis na siya guys. Bibilisan ko na lang. Hi guys. So yung guys, ginawa siya ng photographer. Diba? Ginagawa sila. Oh, mag-demand pa sila na papunta doon. Ganyan yung rule niya. Kukuha ng photography. Kung gusto niyo siyang makuha as a professional photographer, so you can book it. Then I'll link his number down in the comment box. Then, diba?
O, di ba?
Tingin, yan yung tao mo, di ba? Pinakuha siya ng picture. Siya. So, yun. So guys, we're now here in the Lotus Square. So ito yung the Great Golden Lotus here in Macau. So, that's it. So yun, just take photo here. Then after then, going to Wayne sa hotel. Then after the ruin of Saint Paul, yun yung usually yung may itinerary dito. So this is the Golden Lotus Square. So pinipilahan dito, maraming insect na they have to take the photos, you know. So that's it. So yung kasamahan ko, always nang getting photo na.
The Lotus Square or Golden Lotus Square is an open square in Say, Macau, China. The area features the large bronze sculpture lotus flower in full bloom and is somewhat akin to the golden ballenia of neighboring Hong Kong. The lotus flower symbolize the everlasting prosperity of Macau. The lotus flower, which is in full bloom, symbolizes the everlasting prosperity of Macau. There are 3 layers of red granite at the base, which are in the shape of lotus leaves, signifying the Macau Peninsula, Tiber Island and Cologne Island.
We're now going to our next destination. So yun. Tapos na picture yung 100 times picture. Tapos na.
So, nakatapos ko lang din kasi nag-picture sa last, until no more last. Sorry, more last.
Last. Ano yan? Ano yung last? Liga. Naglibog po siya. So yun. So ito po, part na pala yung Macau sa China. Ito yung flag nila. So yun. So guys, we're now going to our next destination. So guys, we're now here in the Grand Lesbo. Ito yung famous hotel here in Macau. That's it. This is it. Then katapat din niya dito yung Wayne Hotel. So that's the Macau Tower. Here, that's the Macau Tower here. Yeah, that's the Macau Tower. So in the circle here in Macau. So magkakatabi lang ito, yung Grand Lisboa, then after that is the Wayne, then the Macau Tower. Yeah, that's the Macau Tower. So after nito, we'll go into ruins of Saint Paul. So this is the view, guys, here in Macau. So maraming nakukuha ng pictures dito. Tignan mo yung mga pictures na kumukuha dyan. Kasi maganda talaga siya. Golden. Wala talaga siyang, there's nothing difference since I've been here in Macau last 2015. Maganda pa rin, wala nating change. Yeah. So that's the view, guys. That's the view here in Macau.
The Grand Lisboa is the tallest building in Macau and the most distinctive part of its skyline. Dennis Lau and NG Command Architects and Engineers HK Ltd. The casino is the first in Macau to offer Texas Hold-'em poker ring games.
So, meron na pala itong gallery sa Lafayette here. That's the Galleries of Lafayette. Famous shopping in Paris. So, yun. That's the Galleries of Lafayette. Kakatapat lang din yan. Kasi nung pumunta kami last, wala pa tong Galleries of Lafayette. Ito yung Lisboa, Grand Lisboa, then the Wayne. Yan. So, yun. That's also the famous fountain there. That's it, guys.
Grand Lisboa ranks among the world's most elite hotels, earning quadruple Forbes 5-star honors. An iconic building set in the heart of Macau, the hotel is testament to extraordinary elegance and luxury. With its distinctive location and architectural design, 9 acclaimed restaurants, top-quality ultra-luxurious rooms, the Grand Lisboa Hotel has truly earned its reputation as one of Asia's finest hotels. You will find easy access to the city's prime tourist attractions.
So, lalakad kami going to ruins of Saint Paul. Marami siyang tao because it's Sunday, December 8. So, here we are again. So, after 9 years, I'm coming back here in ruins of Saint Paul. So, with this little negs. So, here. May signage dito daw. So most probably maraming tao ngayon. Kaya Sunday. So, yun guys. Ito po yung cathedral na malapit sa ruins of St. Paul. Yan po. So, we're now going to
The ruins of
St.
St. Paul.
Paul.
Since the church is closed, there is an ongoing religious activity and no tourists is allowed. So it happens. We're supposed to be to get inside. Apparently, it is closed. So now we're heading to.
ruins of St. Paul. Okay. So, ito yung view ng papuntang ruins to St. Paul. Yeah, that's the view. That's the view. Maraming pong pagkain dito pero so sad. Wala kaming pera so keep quiet na kami. So, maraming tao. Most probably maraming tao dito sa ruin of St. Paul kasi Sunday. So, daming tao dyan. After how many meters? So, this is the view. Gonna look for the ruins of St. Paul. So, yan po yung ruins of St. Paul. Yan po siya. The iconic ruins of St. Paul. It's the iconic ruins of St. Paul. Ito guys. So guys, this is ruins of St. Paul. So, ang history niya parang nasira to kaya ruins. So yun, that's the ruins of St. Paul. That's it. That's the information.
Ruins of St. Paul's. Today, the ruins are one of Macau's best-known landmarks and one of the 7 wonders of Portuguese origin in the world. The ruins of St. Paul's refer to the facade of what was originally the Church of Mater Dei built in 1600 to 1640 and the ruins of St. Paul's College, which stood adjacent to the church, both destroyed by fire in 1835.
So ito po yung loob na sa ruins of St. Paul. Ito po yung yan. Ito po siya. Ito po yung sa loob niya. Parang ginawa nilang museum, I think. I'm not sure.
As a whole, the old Church of Mater Dei, St. Paul's College, and Mount Fortress were all Jesuit constructions and formed what can be perceived as the Macau's Acropolis. The facade is Mannerist in style, carrying some distinctively Oriental decorative motifs. Nowadays, the facade of the ruins of St. Paul's functions symbolically as an altar to the city. The Baroque, Mannerist design of this granite facade is unique in China as noted in UNESCO's Atlas Mundial de la Arquitectura Barroca. The ruins of St. Paul's are one of the finest examples of Macau's outstanding universal value.
So hi guys, story time. Alam mo ba, dito kami sa may Matcha Macau. Ayan, Matcha Macau. Yan yung Matcha Macau din. Nung pa-order na ako,
Ito Matcha Macau, ang
Ito-
products nila is
for
ice
matcha.
cream.
Nga.
For matcha ice cream, softy ice cream with milk. Itong isa, ambisyoso, tanong-tanong pa, bestseller. So sinadyasan siya yung golden matcha ice cream. Pagtingin ng presyo,
98. Sabi ko, matcha and milk na lang. Yung pinakamura. Grabe, 98. Ano yun?
golden matcha ka pa?
Golden. Doon na lang ako sa matcha milk. Satisfying my cravings na lang talaga. Sobrang mahal yung dito. Hindi worth it.
Matcha pa, matcha ba?
Yan ang ito. Yan, dyan. Gusto ko din yan. Ita-try dyan. Yung isa, parang may pudding na ano yan. Ginawa nilang matcha din, pero parang mahal din eh. So, parang, ano yan? Ay, Diyos ko. Mahirap talaga ako paging pulubi. So, yun lang. So, yun lang po yung story time, oh. Yung isa po, hindi po talaga siya mahilig sa matcha, pero kumain siya ng matcha.
Milk lang.
So, yun po yung story time. So, hi guys, we're now here in the City Dreams. This is the famous Eiffel Tower here in Macau, the Parisian. The new attraction here. This is the Parisian. That's it. The whole view here in Macau. So also there's a studio there, then after, magkakalapit lang din yan. The Parisian or the Eiffel Tower, going there, the Londoner, yung ambience niya is from European style. Then doon yung may City of Dreams. So, magkalapit lang din dito. And also the MGM. So here. So that's it guys.
The Parisian Macau is truly a dazzling experience. As we walked through the massive building, the evening ambience was breathtaking, with twinkling lights creating a magical atmosphere. The replica of the Eiffel Tower is a standout feature, beautifully lit and adding a charming touch to the landscape. Although we didn't check into the hotel, I can only imagine the luxury of the rooms, given the overall opulence of the venue. The attention to detail and the Parisian theme executed wonderfully, making it feel like a slice of France in Macau. The Londoner Macau is designed to resemble iconic landmarks from London, including a replica of the Houses of Parliament and a scaled-down version of the Elizabeth Tower commonly known as Big Ben. It features various attractions, hotels, shopping, dining, and entertainment options all themed around British culture. Attractions include a replica of the Palace of Westminster, a gondola ride experience, and a wax museum with figures of famous British personalities.
Story time! Ano masasabi mo, sir?
Sa mga oras na to, nararamdaman ko na at sinasampal na kami ng katotohanan na bumulubi na po
no.
kami.
Siya lang po. Me, I'm strong, confident, very mindful, very demure.
Kaya
I can still do it. My DIY. Ito, hindi na tatagal to. Kasi nasanay na sa private tour eh.
Uy, nanuro ka.
Grabe.
Nanuro ka sa katulad.
Pero sayang talaga yung nabayad namin. So, one tip of advice, go here in Macau. They will
Make
not
sure you don't have enough coins.
Make sure you have enough coins. Okay, once you
If
pay,
you don't have the cards, you have to pay it in cash,
Cash.
but make sure that you don't have the enough coins because drivers are not accepting
any
any
change, you will not change. So we wasted 800 change. Joke, just only 80 pesos change. So yun po yung story time namin. So actually, itong isa na to, nanginginig na siya. Wala naman takot na siya na gumama. May wala na daw siya na sana yung sa turbo jet. Ay, sana yung turbo jet. Oh. But sinabihan ko sa kanya na, don't worry, I can pay. I can pay another fare ba? Siya natatakot kasi walang pera eh. So you know what? Alam mo, still 4:30. So we do have some 1 hour stay here in the terminal. So why not enjoy there? We do have lots of time. What happened? Oh my God. So what's your ending part? Your last story part?
Nothing.
So, did you enjoy your Macau?
Nothing kasi na sila nagkaratingan na din. Baka mamaya wala na naman tayong pangit yung seat na makuha natin.
So do you enjoy the Macau trip?
No.
Guys, dito po yung Macau Harbor. Masaya po. Yung po kami sa story time. So yun. So guys, I think I would end this video now. We're going back to Hong Kong, the city of dreams, city of Asia's world something. Yeah, sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. City of dreams pala is Macau. Yeah. So yun guys, we're gonna go there na. So I will end this vlog. So hope you like, subscribe to my channel. It's RJ Calvo PH. Until the next video guys. Sige na, para maka $100 na naman ako, konti-konti lang. Makakawal lang, para sa may next travel na naman ako. Then hope you comment lang kung ano yung mga request niyo na video,
Nagmakaawa lang para katulad ng pagmamakaawa mo dun sa driver. Can we have change?
So yun lang, bye-bye! Subscribe nyo ha!